See, first and foremost, I would like to thank the Bharatiya Janata Party Central Parliamentary Board along with the Honorable Prime Minister for having put their trust and faith in me and appointing me one of the Deputy Chief Ministers. All I would like to say that the agenda of development Viksit Bharat एजेंडा को लेके जो हम लोग सत्ता में आए हैं उसी सत्ता को लेके लोगों के बीच जाएंगे. See, BJP being a cadre-based party looks into all the aspects, and from the organizational point of view, the state, the formation of the government is going to have all-round representation from all society.
But in the Western Odisha, what two central ministers there and one deputy there, so how Western Odisha goes?
Why do you forget that the state also has the President of India? So let's not take it otherwise, but Narendra Modi ji has always said in his speeches that Odisha is going to be the #1 state in the coming 5 years.
You have a lot of experience, but the opposition party is a very strong opposition party. 51 BJD MLA and 14 Congress.
Yes, it is going to be a testing time for us, but we are confident that we will be able to take them on.
Any selection of this speaker?
Look, first, one step at a time. Right now, the speaker will be decided by the MLAs after the oath is administered. The post of speaker is filled up inside the house, not outside.
Any ministers will go for
Nothing. You see, the only decision which has been taken as of now is in front of you. And whatever other decisions will be taken, you will come to know by tomorrow.
So BJP will form the government for first time. How will it serve to the people of Odisha?
All I would like to say, tomorrow the BJP is going to be taking oath for the first time in the Chief Minister, BJP Chief Minister is going to be taking oath for the first time along with the two Deputy Chief Ministers, and the first time thereafter I don't think you'll see the last time.